RILY stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is B. Riley Financial stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down, so let's get in this quick 1 minute video so we can have a great end to the week. Nah, but like honestly speaking, like no one else has more videos than me made. 45,000 videos, all documented by the way on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars investing courses and mentors to figure this stuff out. And especially with B. Riley, the most recent prediction that I got was here. Sitting at 568. This is a day ago. Yeah, it was 568, you know what I mean? So it was a very, very low price. And then now it's 7, which is nice. I never was able to catch this because it just kind of pumped without me. And currently how things are looking like is I'll just mark up the top. Here's my 15-minute chart. And from this point onward, the only thing that I'm waiting to see is I would definitely buy if it pulls down and gives me a double break. If it doesn't give me such things, then I'm not buying. Very simple. So that's how Riley is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime here though is just I'm waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, then just click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.